That old car in your garage isn't a classic. It's just old, and it's time to turn it into cash. We buy old cars, no matter how ancient. Hasn't run in 10 years? We'll take it. Been passed down through generations? Perfect. So old it doesn't have a computer chip? Even better. Here's the thing about old cars. They're gold mines of raw materials. Older vehicles often have more valuable metals than newer ones. Heavy steel frames, solid engine blocks, copper wiring, it all translates to real money in your pocket. And selling to us couldn't be easier. Just tell us what you've got: year, make, model, condition. We'll give you a fair cash offer instantly. Like what you hear? We schedule free pickup whenever works for you. Our team shows up, handles all the heavy lifting, and pays you cash on the spot. No repairs needed, no detailing required, no strangers coming to kick the tires. Just easy money for that old car you've been meaning to deal with. Maybe it was your first car. Maybe it was Grandpa's pride and joy. We respect that. But sentiment doesn't pay bills, and that old car is just appreciating while taking up valuable space. Stop holding on to the past. Cash in on it instead. Get your free quote today. Call now or visit our website. Fast cash for old cars. It's that simple.